Your massage session is suddenly interrupted by a faulty switch on your massage chair. A situation that no one wants to face. This isn't just an inconvenience, it's a complication that disrupts your relaxation and peace of mind. Ever wondered how to fix that broken switch yourself? Wang Qirui Electric Massage Chair Company, dedicated to serving the communities of Chile and its neighboring areas, offers a solution. With our easy-to-follow DIY repair guide, you can get your massage chair back in working order without hassle. Plus,